Good morning, students. Last class we learnt the World Heritage Committee meets once a year and resources the recommendations and decides which sites will be added to the World Heritage list. The tenure of the World Heritage is 6 years. Now let's see page number 160, becoming a World Heritage Site. There are 5 steps in becoming a World Heritage Site. The first of which is for a country or state party to take an inventory of its significant cultural and natural sites. Inventory means detailed list or a complete list. Now see page number 161. This is called the tentative list. Tentative means not certain list, okay? And it is important because nominations to the World Heritage list will not be considered unless the nominated site was first included on the tentative list. Next, countries are then able to select sites from their tentative list to be included on a nomination file. The third step is a review of the nomination file by 2 advisory bodies consisting of the International Council on Monuments and Sites and the World Conservation Union, who then make recommendations to the World Heritage Committee. Review means to think again. Okay, the World Heritage Committee meets once a year to review these recommendations and decide which sites will be added to the World Heritage list. The final step in becoming a World Heritage Site is determining whether or not a nominated site meets at least one of 10 selection criteria. If the site meets these criteria, it can then be inscribed on the World Heritage list. Once a site goes through this process and is chosen, it remains the property of the country on whose territory it sits, but it also becomes considered within the international community. Now see here, actually it is important to include the name of a site in the tentative list because nominations to the World Heritage list will not be considered unless the nominated site was first included on the tentative list. The third step is a review of the nomination file by 2 advisory bodies consisting of the International Council on Monuments and Sites and the World Conservation Union, who then make recommendations to the World Heritage Committee. Now see here, one question also given. What is the World Heritage Committee responsible for? Okay, the World Heritage Committee meets once a year to review the recommendations and decide which sites will be added to the World Heritage list. And one more question given. Who makes recommendations to the World Heritage Committee? The 2 advisory bodies consisting of the International Council on Monuments and Sites and the World Conservation Union make recommendations to the World Heritage Committee. That first page number 161, first paragraph, you will get that answer. Okay. Now see types of World Heritage Sites. As of 2009, there are 890 World Heritage Sites that are located in 148 countries map. 689 of these sites are cultural and include places like the Sydney Opera House in Australia and the Historic Centre of Vienna in Australia. 176 are natural and feature such locations as the US Yellowstone and Grand Canyon national parks. 25 of the World Heritage Sites are the considered mixed, that is natural and cultural. Peru's Machu Picchu is one of these. Italy has the highest number of World Heritage Sites with 44. India has 36, 28 cultural, 7 natural and 1 mixed World Heritage Sites. The World Heritage Committee has divided the world's countries into 5 geographic zones, which include Africa, Arab states, Asia Pacific including Australia and Oceania, Europe and North America, and Latin America and the Caribbean. Now see page number 161. 161. World Heritage Sites in danger. Like many natural and historic cultural sites around the world, many World Heritage Sites are in danger of being destroyed or lost due to war, poaching, natural disasters like earthquakes, uncontrolled urbanization, heavy tourist traffic, and environmental factors like air pollution and acid rain. World Heritage Sites that are in danger are inscribed on a separate list of World Heritage Sites in danger, which allows the World Heritage Committee to allocate resources from the World Heritage Fund to that site. In addition, different plans are put into place to protect and or restore the site. If, however, a site loses the characteristics which allowed for it to be originally included on the World Heritage List, the World Heritage Committee can choose to delete the site from the list. To learn more about World Heritage Sites, visit the World Heritage Center's website at whc.unesco.org. Now see one question. Number of World Heritage Sites as per data of 2090, 890. Okay. Number of sites in Italy, 44. Numbers of sites in India, 36. And World Heritage Center's website just now I had given you. Now see one question given. What is Peru's Machu Picchu an example of? Peru's Machu Picchu is an example of a mixed heritage site. Next, one more question. See that from that paragraph, okay, you will get many questions. How many sites have been included from India? From India, 36 sites have been included, 28 cultural, 7 natural and 1 mixed. Next, see, how is any particular site deleted from the list? If a site loses the characteristics which allowed for it to originally be included on the World Heritage List, the World Heritage Committee can choose to delete the site from the list. Okay. Next, see one more question. What is the role of World Heritage Sites to develop tourism in any country? Actually, the World Heritage Site Committee has different plans to protect and restore the sites. It can also allocate resources from the fund to this site. It makes people aware of the sites and provides information about them on the website so that tourists are eager and interested to visit them. Okay, and see here meaning World Heritage Site in danger. Okay, for poaching. Poaching means what? Illegal hunting. And inscribed means written or carved. Restore means bring back or re-establish. Allocate means assign. And urbanization means include more areas in cities, expand city areas. Now see Page number 162. World Heritage Sites in Danger. World Heritage Sites that are in danger of being destroyed or lost due to war. Poaching. Poaching means what? Poaching means illegal hunting. Poaching or natural disasters like earthquakes or human activities like urbanization, heavy tourist traffic, and environmental factors like air pollution and acid rain are inscribed on a separate list, which allows the committee to allocate resources from the fund to that